What is up guys, another site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Discord with n8n. So first you need to head over to your n8n website and then you need to create a new workflow and I'll show it to you from scratch. So after creating a new workflow you need to click on this plus icon and then search for Discord. After searching, click on this Discord and then you need to choose an action. After choosing an action you can choose the connection type. I'm going with the OAuth 2. After choosing OAuth 2 I'll click on select credential and then click on create new credential. After that, to get the client ID and the client secret, you need to head over to the Discord developer portal, from where you need to click on OAuth 2, wherein you will get the client ID. So just copy it from here and then head back to n8n and paste it the client ID. After pasting the client ID for the client secret, you need to just click on this reset secret and then click on yes, do it. And after that, this will ask you for your password. So you just need to enter your Discord password and then submit it. And after that, your client secret will be appeared here. So just simply copy that and head back to n8n and paste it here in the client secret section and then save it to save your connection and to create your connection. So this is how you can connect your Discord to your n8n. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.